A question came to us about Starbucks. If I, after tooth whitening, if I use what's that? Frappuccino, mocha, Java chip coffee. Oh, it's a code, not a coffee. Did it affect the end result of teeth whitening? Look, anyway, if you use this code or any other codes from any coffee makers or coffee stores, I advise you just to maintain your result after teeth whitening. Just also take care at your home. Tooth whitening base, the gel we give you, all the instructions we give to you. Just take care of your tooth whitening with this code or another code. Be safe and keep your teeth always healthy with any code you are using.